what's up? Welcome back to another video. We're starting the video off today at a different place than normal. Today, we're actually starting our video in Houston. We had a little mishap on our load this morning, so we're gonna go to the gym. We're gonna go get some ingredients, and we're gonna cook some food tonight. I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you guys enjoy. Oh, guys, our battery's dead. That means my airbags won't have air in it. It has air in it right now, but so we're gonna have to take this out and take it somewhere to get it charged. Hoi.
Put it on charge, see what it does.
Is there like a certain setting on your charger for the gels? There's not, it's just all the same?
All the same, yeah.
Okay. If it's not charged when I come back, I'll just take it how it is. But
okay.
How much is it gonna cost?
It's free.
Okay, sounds good, thank you. No problem. All right guys, we made it to the gym. We're gonna go in here, get a workout in. Then we're gonna go to the stove. Got our coconut water. Let's go. Alright guys, just finished up. I'm so glad we went when we did because it was kind of dead, and right when I got out of my shower and got out of the locker room, it was packed. So we're gonna go get our ingredients for dinner tonight. Probably go pick up our battery, then head back to the trailer. We're making Crunchwrap Supremes, baby. Let's do this. Would I be able to do half a pound of the skirt steak? Yeah, that's fine. I don't mind. Sure. Have a good one. All right, guys, so this is what we ended up getting. All right. You guys haven't tried these? Go try these. How's it going?
Pretty good. Just give her a minute.
You're fine. I'll be patient. Should I get this Gotham City sticker and put it on my truck? I am here to pick up the battery I dropped off. Is there any way you could throw that tester on it again, see if it's throwing the same?
Yeah.
Is it still saying the bad cell, or?
No, it just says it's good, but to recharge it.
Okay.
So.
All right, guys, we got our battery back. Battery does not have a bad cell. We're gonna go back to the truck stop and cook us some dinner. All right, we have a small issue. It is currently this outside. We'll check the forecast to see how long this is supposed to last. Rain for the next, oh my gosh. Okay. 95% for 7 p.m. All right, we need to hurry up and get cooking. Oh my gosh, guys, it's coming down right now. We got a jacket. Ooh. We can use this. Maybe we could drape this over here. Kind of shield us from the rain just a little bit. Right here? Is that gonna work? Oh gosh. I mean, it's kind of working. Put that in here. Alright, grab some of this ghee. Throw it in the pot. Alright. Alright, we get our Wagyu beef and we throw it in there. Grab some garlic, pepper, and salt. Right, let's cut up these veggies real fast so we don't have to do it later. Put that on a plate. Oh yeah, okay. Oh! Put the lid back on that. Alright. Let's chop her up. We'll throw all this back in the pan. Just for a little bit. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. We need to back the truck up just a little bit. All right. We're good. Okay, let's look at our steak. Oh, she's looking good, guys. She is looking good. All right, we'll go ahead and grab the sour cream. All right, sour cream down. Cheese. We're ready for steak. Oh gosh, guys, everything is just soaked. But we got this. Put all this steak on here. And turn our burner all the way down. Going with the lettuce. Tomatoes. Alright, we got our chips. We'll grab another tortilla, kind of trim it. Then you grab the ends. Oh, this is not gonna hold. There's no way. We got this, guys. Alright. Okay. Just grab it. Toast it. Okay, that's not that bad. All right. Don't fall apart on me now. Okay. Shut our burner off. And for the result! Okay. Alright guys, I know that was a little hectic, but we have Wagyu skirt steak crunch wraps right here. Some of this on here. Oh no! That steak cooked to perfection. Alright, I'm gonna put on some YouTube and I'm gonna demolish these crunch wraps because oh my gosh, these are so good. Taco Bell, you need to take notes. This needs to be on your menu. Just want to note, it stopped raining outside, by the way. It hasn't been raining this whole entire time that we've been in here.
Do you know how many freaking people live here? And you expect me to know this guy? No, of course not.
Okay, you able to see okay? Sorry, I didn't expect Gene to be...
Alright guys, we played some games, we ate dinner. I forgot to film it, but we're already ready for bed, so it's time to go to sleep. Catch you guys in the morning. Good morning guys. It is freezing. It is 40 degrees right now. Let's get up and warm up this truck. 37 degrees. I gotta go outside and put this battery in because I didn't want to do it last night. Man, this is gonna suck. Bro, it says it's dead. It's working, so let's close it up. So the advanced auto parts, charge was just kind of temporary to get us home. You don't want to be riding these trailers without air ride, especially when they have air ride equipped. So we got it taken care of. Hopefully that lasts us until we get home. Alright guys, we pulled over to check if our airbags are actually lifted. Looks like they're doing pretty good. So since we woke up early, check all this. Good. All right, guys, let's get out of this freaking cold, man. So are these two for me?
Yeah, these two.
Okay, sounds good. I'll let him put that big piece on, so that way we can kind of put this right up next to it, and then, I mean, right now, if you wanted to, you could put that all the way up front.
Okay.
Hey everyone, I just want to take a moment to say thank you. We've hit 300 subscribers and I couldn't have done it without you. Your support, like, comments, and shares mean the world to me. This journey has been so amazing so far and there's so much more to come. More truck camping, more cooking, more truck adventures. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss what's next. Drop a comment below, let me know what you'd like to see in some future videos. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe and keep on trucking.